In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to access the company settings page and cover the common settings available for users. The company settings page is helpful for users who'd like to customize the BorderConnect experience to their liking. In this tutorial, I'll show you the common settings that you can change. But for a full list of company settings and their definitions, visit BorderConnect Support Wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. To access the company settings page in BorderConnect, once you're logged in, go to the Account menu option on the top right and click Company Settings. Once you're on the Company Settings page, you'll see that the page is broken up into specific sections to change options for different areas of BorderConnect. The first section at the top are your Aci E-Manifest settings. Common settings in this section include changing your default carrier code, adding a prefix to your ACI trip number so it can automatically include characters or numbers after your carrier code, auto-suggest an ACI trip number, which will automatically fill in the next unique sequential trip number when creating a new Aci E-Manifest, or display the ACI import buttons, which will reveal the import buttons when importing ACI shipments in a JSON format. In the section below are your Aci E-Manifest settings. Here you can set a default SCAC code, or display the Aci import buttons, so when creating a new Aci E-Manifest, it'll reveal the import buttons to import shipments directly into an Aci E-Manifest, which is helpful for e-commerce users when uploading a large volume of Section 321 shipments in either a CSV or JSON format. And to learn how to import shipments directly into your Aci E-Manifest, click the link at the top of the video now for a step-by-step tutorial. The next section are your shared eManifest settings, which are settings that are for both Aci and Aci E-Manifests. Some common options here include displaying warnings on your eManifest when no seal is entered for either the truck or the trailer, auto-assigning drivers and trailers when starting a new eManifest, and enabling commodity suggestions, which automatically assigns package types and weight unit of measure based on what description is entered. The section below, Detailed Driver's Copy Settings, are settings that can either show or hide specific info when printing, faxing, or emailing driver copies from your eManifest. Here, you can show the release type, total quantity, the consignee, the commodity description, or even the weight, all on your printed driver's copy. It's important to note, though, that only 4 of these selections can be made at one time. The next section, ACI Shipment Settings, are settings that are specific only to ACI shipments in BorderConnect. Here, you can automatically include the word PARS when starting a new ACI shipment, which is helpful if your PARS labels always include that as part of your sequence. Allow for ACI reference-only shipments, which reveals a button to mark shipments as referenced on the Start New ACI Shipment page. And for more information on how to create a reference shipment in BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now to learn more. And you can also set up shipments for default shippers, city of acceptance, or even a sublocation if you take repeated loads with the same information. Here, you can also enable BorderConnect CSA features, which is helpful if your carrier is CSA approved and you'd like to take full advantage of the CSA options available in BorderConnect. The next section below focuses on settings related to ACE shipments. Under the ACE shipment settings section, you can enable the Allow ACE split shipments, which allows users to create split shipment segments when creating split shipments in ACE. To learn what a split shipment is and how to create them in BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now. You can also set up default shipment types or in-bond entry types. So when creating a new ACE shipment or an ACE in bond, for example, it'll automatically assign that particular shipment type or that particular in-bond entry type. Now below, in the RNS settings section, you can choose to include proof of release documents when getting notified of a release PARS shipments for your records. Or, if a driver profile has a sequence of PARS numbers assigned to them in BorderConnect, you can have the system warn when a specific amount of numbers are remaining in their sequence. Next, in the Cover Sheet Settings section, you can customize the information and logo shown on the generated eManifest cover sheets from BorderConnect. You can add your company's phone number, fax number, email, even add your company's logo to the cover sheets. And to learn how to generate your own eManifest cover sheets in BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now for a step-by-step tutorial. And lastly, the final sections include user account settings, which help to keep accounts secure by forcing them to reset their passwords at a specific interval, or updating your invoice settings, where you can choose to have a physical copy of your invoice sent to you, or even customize the look of your invoice by showing bundled shipment totals instead of the default look.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.